Before jumping further, let us try to list the tools and languages required for machine learning. Before jumping to anything, come to the machine learning and artificial intelligence space by being at least a medium-level programmer in Python, if not advanced. Python is the base of machine algorithms, and we have several libraries which can be utilized as base for developing our own algorithms. In machine learning, data analysis plays a real part. Pandas is one of the tools used in machine learning for data analysis and cleaning. Pandas is an open-source Python package. Pandas has the required features for machine learning. Pandas is used for exploring, cleaning, transforming, and visualizing from data input. Pandas is used after we have a set of data and we want to manipulate the data. This is before the machine learning algorithm comes into picture. Machine learning is all about performing mathematical calculations. Numerical Python, NumPy, is an open-source Python library used to perform various mathematical and scientific tasks. All the multi-dimensional arrays and matrices come under Numerical Python, NumPy. Numerical Python, NumPy, also has functions for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transform, and matrices. Getting insights into the data is very important in machine learning. Data visualization is an important technique in machine learning to understand the data. Data is to be plotted using various techniques to get insights on the trends, patterns, outliers in datasets. Getting to know about data is important to develop a best machine learning model. Matplotlib is a plotting library in Python to create static, animated, and interactive visualizations of the data. Plots include bar graph, histogram, scatter plot, pie chart, box plot. TensorFlow is an end-to-end open-source platform for machine learning. TensorFlow is a free and open-source software library for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Built-in models in TensorFlow can be used for machine learning activities. APIs inbuilt can be used. Custom models can be built using TensorFlow. Now, where do we write our programs? We need an environment, right? Jupyter Notebooks basically provides an interactive computational environment for developing Python-based projects. Jupyter Notebook allows machine learning developers to show visualizations along with sharing the code and datasets. Jupyter Notebook is an open-source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text.